Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no SIM problem on your iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. First of all, just give your iPhone a quick restart. Many times after an update, your device needs a fresh restart to reconnect to your network. So simply turn it off, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on and check if the SIM is detected. Solution 2. Toggle airplane mode. Pull down the control center and airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. This forces your iPhone to reconnect to your carrier network. Solution 3. Check for carrier setting update. Go to Settings app, then tap on General. Next tap on About. If there's a pop-up saying carrier setting update, make sure you tap Update. This helps your iPhone connect properly to your network. Solution 4. Software update. Sometimes the update you install might have a small bug. Apple usually fixes these issues quickly. Go to Settings app, then tap General. Now tap Software update. If you see a new update, install it. It may automatically fix the no SIM problem. Solution 4. Reset network settings. If nothing has changed yet, then try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings app, then tap on General. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Next tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode and again tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm your action. This will remove your safe Wi-Fi network and VPN settings, but don't worry, your photos, videos and apps will stay safe. Solution 6. Reinsert your SIM card. Now if the problem is still there, remove your SIM card. Take out the SIM tray using the SIM ejector tool or a pin. Gently clean the SIM with a soft cloth and put it back properly. Make sure the tray is fully closed. Sometimes a loose SIM can cause no SIM error. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.